The floor is partially obstructed by structural constraints, making a standard cabinet feel too heavy. A floating vanity lifts storage off the ground and opens up visual space. This build shows the transformation from raw plywood to a fully installed floating cabinet. Start by defining the cabinet size: 30 inches wide, 20 inches tall, and 20 inches deep. These dimensions are suitable for compact bathroom spaces while still providing functional storage. This helps reduce waste and ensures all parts align correctly with the design. If you plan to paint the cabinet, choose plywood with a subtle grain pattern to achieve a smoother painted finish. Once everything is marked, cut all components using a table saw, making sure each edge is straight and consistent. Use 3/4-inch plywood for the main cabinet structure. It provides strong rigidity and holds up well over time. For assembly, use pocket hole joinery. Drill 3 pocket holes on each end of the bottom panel. These joints will be completely hidden after assembly but provide strong internal support for the entire structure. Before assembling the cabinet, apply edge banding to all exposed plywood edges. This step is important because it improves both the visual quality and the durability of the final piece. After applying the banding, you will need to trim the excess material. An edge trimmer tool makes this process much faster and more precise compared to manual trimming. Once trimmed, lightly sand all edges to remove sharpness and ensure a seamless transition between surfaces. This step also helps paint adhere more evenly later. Taking time on edge banding will significantly improve the final professional appearance of the cabinet. Begin assembly by attaching both side panels to the bottom panel. Make sure all edges are perfectly aligned before fastening. Use bar clamps to hold the structure tightly in place during assembly. This prevents shifting and ensures accuracy when driving screws. Secure the joints using pocket screws through the pre-drilled holes. This creates a strong internal frame without visible fasteners on the exterior. After the main frame is assembled, install reinforcement braces on both the front and back sides of the cabinet. These braces significantly improve rigidity and prevent flexing over time. The front reinforcement also helps support the drawer system and maintains alignment under load. Once the structure is complete, apply wood filler to all visible seams, joints, and imperfections. After drying, sand everything smooth to create a seamless surface ready for finishing. Start the drawer build by creating a simple 2D layout. This step is essential for accurate measurement and helps visualize how all parts fit together before cutting. Use 1 2-inch plywood for the drawer box. This thickness provides a good balance between strength and ease of assembly. Cut all parts except the bottom panel first, then perform a dry fit to ensure all corners are square and aligned correctly. When assembling, work from the inside outward. This approach gives better access for the brad nailer and improves control during fastening. Apply wood glue on all joints before clamping. Once secured, reinforce the structure using brad nails to lock everything in place. Pay attention to brad nail length. If too long, it may penetrate the material. If too short, the joint strength will be insufficient. After the drawer frame is assembled, check all corners again using a speed square to confirm perfect alignment. Because the back of the drawer includes a U-shaped cutout for plumbing clearance. Additional reinforcement is needed during curing to prevent twisting or movement. Trace the bottom panel directly onto plywood and cut it to match the exact shape of the frame. Use a jigsaw to carefully cut out the plumbing clearance area. Take your time to ensure smooth and accurate curves. Once cut, install the bottom panel into the drawer frame and secure it along the entire perimeter for stability. In tighter areas, use a right-angle drill attachment to fasten screws where a standard drill cannot reach. For the drawer fronts, create a simplified shaker-style design by adding trim pieces around a plywood center panel. Cut all trim pieces at precise 45-degree angles to form clean and tight joints. To improve safety and control during cutting, use shallow passes first before completing full-depth cuts. Dry fit all pieces before final installation to ensure alignment and fit. Apply wood glue and secure the trim using brad nails once everything is positioned correctly. After drying, fill all nail holes and gaps using wood filler. Then apply caulk-along seams between trim and panel to improve the final painted finish. Before painting, sand all surfaces thoroughly to remove imperfections and improve adhesion. Apply primer first, using a brush for corners and edges and a roller for flat surfaces. After drying, sand again lightly to achieve a smooth base layer. Apply 2 full coats of cabinet-grade paint for durability and a refined finish. Make sure to paint interior edges and hidden surfaces as well, so the final result looks fully finished from all angles. Begin by positioning the drawer fronts and using spacers to maintain consistent gaps between panels. Mark alignment references on the back side to ensure precise final installation. Install drawer slides by first attaching the drawer members, followed by the cabinet members. Use spacers during installation to maintain correct height and alignment. Test the drawer movement before fully tightening all screws. Finally, secure the drawer fronts permanently by drilling pilot holes from inside the drawer and fastening with screws. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step woodworking builds. Share your questions or project ideas in the comments. Future builds are often based on them.